Hi everyone, welcome to the Earth and Stone Challenge. In this challenge you get to grow things, you get to play in mud or sand, and you get to create lots of beautiful pictures on your patio or your driveway. It might make someone very happy that day. Okay, hope it goes well. There are some links to things, so make sure you find them and follow them. Good luck with your 5 challenges. Bye. So the first challenge for the Earth Challenge is to get some chalk and go and give your patio or the driveway a little makeover. Good luck everybody. Good luck. The second challenge is to play with your sandpit, or you might even have a mud kitchen in your garden. The Earth Challenge 3 is Nature Pizza. And it's basically making a design of pizza from things that you can collect. So go for a walk, take a bag, collect all the things that you can find. And then when you come home, you get a plate or a paper plate. Always good, you don't have to wash it then. But you can put some compost or some soil that you know that you'd like to use. Or you could even make it grass based, it's up to you. But you lay it out and then you can put any leaves and stones and anything that you find to make yourself a nature pizza. Get going. Good luck. Right, Earth Challenge 4 is to make yourself a fairy garden. Now you could use any really nice bowl if you have one, and there is a link on this challenge to a website that will help you make one as well. But with my children, I just generally use a tray and then we just fill it with compost and make sure that it goes everywhere. I'd probably put another cupful into here and then fill it with grass seed. Now the only problem if you're making it and you want to make your grass so that you know that you can cut it is that it will take a few weeks to make. But once you do, then you can have lots of fun making it into different hairstyles or grass styles. So it's always a good idea. So challenge number 4, fairy garden. Earth Challenge 5. We're going to sow a seed or plant a seed or some seeds. I would do some herbs. If you want something to grow very quickly though, do cress. If you're a keen gardener, you might want to do sweet pea. I've just done a chive, so I just filled my cup up with compost, put some chive in and put a little sprinkle on the top. It's always nice to use cups that you like, especially if you're going to leave them on the kitchen windowsill. And you can get these seasonally and just collect them. I always collect them. I always think it's nice to give a friend a nice cup of herbs. Okay, so challenge number 5, plant a seed.